Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Napa Cabbage Kimchi, full guide. Start by rinsing and halving the Napa cabbage, then apply salt between leaves and let it wilt until flexible. Rinse thoroughly to remove excess salt, then prepare a paste using Korean chili flakes, garlic, ginger, and fish sauce, or paste for depth. Massage the paste into each leaf layer evenly to ensure consistent flavor and fermentation. Begin with crisp, cold Napa cabbage, then cut and separate leaves so salt reaches every layer. Sprinkle coarse salt evenly between the leaves and stack in a bowl, turning every 30 minutes so water releases uniformly. Once leaves are limp and reduced, rinse multiple times to remove excess salt and taste a leaf to confirm balanced saltiness. Squeeze gently to remove extra water before applying the seasoning paste. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet right. Life's too short for cheap socks, so consider a pair from Darn Tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty you'll appreciate in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For the seasoning paste, combine peeled garlic, fresh ginger, and gochugaru Korean chili flakes in a bowl, then add a splash of fish sauce or a vegan substitute to build savory depth. Stir in julienned radish and chopped scallions for contrast and texture, and taste to balance heat and salt. Massage the seasoning thoroughly into each cabbage leaf using gloves to protect your hands, ensuring even coating and complete flavor absorption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.